self ko.
Hi guys, so we're at...
So we have to identify all the
Bubble book! Going to maximize the time. No one got you! So, yan, first time, let's see. Pinapractice ko yung self ko to travel alone. Ha! Outfit check. Outfit check. Pang jogging lang. Kasi, I'm going to jog. Look, the view. How is nice. Naulan pa kasi. So, where to go. Para yung manakawan, let's go! Woo! Ano ako? Go to family markets. Person who is hammer guy. I mean, hindi ka naman siguro maliligaw dito as long as you have Google Maps or see. Ito yun. Naalala ko to. Look. Tarang!
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side?
Hi guys, so we're at Legazpi village in Makati, and Famini came from Alabang Pa to just run. It's good to be back on Famini's vlog. Hey.
To myself and sit in silence until I got a call. My friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the
Ito importante, hindi po. Guys, si Famini nagaya ng jogging. Tapos ang ending namin kumain. Wait lang pa. Mga galawin.
Parang araw na bigyan ng aming sauce.
Madalo to.
Ang pawit lang po ng garlic.
We're full.
Bye!
Look at the food.
Ay, akala ko pinapakita ko. Kasi ako yung
We were dancing in the dark with a view in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing.
when we talking to the scope of the topic, it's quite to understand if you have a tribal proposal, each fraction in terms of what? Again, so give me. It's not quite aligned on to all the variables of your title. Okay, so we have to identify all the variables of your title.
Ay, ito lang, dalawang ko lang.
Hindi ganun kainit.
Very ano.
Feeling ko maraming tao.
Ha! So far, it looks kind of good. I'm expecting to be more big naman. But actually, okay na siya. For, I hope na hindi siya ganun ka. 50, ayun. And here's the cottage. Okay.
Magkano dito?
Parang di ko alam tanay natin. 100 plus lang dito. May mga slides. Ayun no. Entrance fee 170. Cottage. Ay, ang mahal. Small. Ah, ito lang yung pool nila. Yeah, dito. Sure.
Ganda din.
Kasi madumi na yung tubig. Charing. Thank you po. Thank you po. Next, kasi ano, ayun na. Ha? Ayun na, ano. Let's see inside.
Parang kanong-kanong ba? Walang ano.
Ay, para ano to? Wow. Ay, ang ganda. Ayun natin. Bawal ata siya. Ayun, bawal na. Hingit. Kailan ano open sila? Tara na.
Meron to, ferry mo to.
Saan? So we're here in Suki Market. Let's go somewhere over here. Chicken. Yummy. Ram sticks. It cost me 220. Bobon po. So ano kung nag-uusap ko sa pinto? Ganun din ito yung feeling ko nakita ko. Magkano dito? So far, our expectation exceeded. Sino mo na magkakaroon ng 200? When I'm falling fast and hard for you. So what time is it? It's already 8:20.
The last two digits when I'm calling. fade away, but somehow I'll get through. The only time I feel good sinking.
Mag-stand up siya. Inyo ng tumira sa inyo ilang buwan?
Ayun, si Elixir.
You caught me.
Taste test first, food.
Now I think my winking days are through. Could it be another chance?
7 out of 10. 7.
Come and rearrange.
Okay, taste test. Ng lumpiang Shanghai
Why
noodles.
can't she just feel that way? You can't love no one.
3 out of 10.
You can't love something. You can't love nothing. You can't love anything. Till you can love yourself.
Birthday to you.
You can love yourself.
Mag-point ka na ito. Bago yan. Bago yan.
You can love yourself.
Aga-aga mo kayo. Ang range mo na gawin niya. Sabi niya sa kanila yung 7 over. Ilan natin?
The only time I feel good when I'm falling fast and hard for you. I can't tell if you are stalling, so if you are, please tell me what to do. The only time I feel good sinking is when I'm sinking fast and deep for you. You caught me when I was winking. Now I think my winking days are through. Could it be another chance? Come and rearrange. Why can't you just feel that way?
Makareact ka, tinaro ka ka. 1, 2, 3, go.
Tayo, wag na tayo.
Kami nag-aaway niya. Pag binalabas sa video ko. Pag binasa yung naawa. Happy birthday! Siya rin. Pag isa ano niya, bago lalaki na lang.
Pero okay na yung pangalawa, maganda yung kanina. Na-save yun? Oo, maganda yung kanina. Okay, last ko talaga. Okay, last na.
Love is like the sun, the lights of my whole world. I feel inside.
Dito lang yan, it's your sign. I help ko siya. It's the fire and the praise in this.
On my side, but no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the things can't help but show. Your breath is hard to tear it apart. And suddenly the madness comes. We just find you change everything to see. When I know I've got you with me. This
have a Shangri-La.
Magmahili ka na ng sarili mo. Wala na yung pangalan ko, te. Magmahili ka na ng sarili mo. Pinutas ka tanga. Sasabayin na lang namin isa tricycle lang.
Wala sa microfiber ko.
Oh, bro. Tignan mo. Oh. Isasabay na natin sa balit at buhay tayo.
Oo, maganda.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Ay, sorry. Wala, hindi. Galit
ka? Galit ka sa akin? Ay, shit, may food panda. Sino ang pag-deliver yun?
Go.
Kasi namahigay ko na yung ano eh. Okay mo kasi.
How would a person know everything at 18? Thought that it's all about independent, what you want.
Sa pera, pag wala ka talaga pag kayo makasing surviving sa life.
Shadow in the dark left me with the burning heart. Summer comes and goes, they say, but with you, darling, it only stays.
Self-control.
It's sure as a new sunrise, forever in your life.
Kasi ako na yung living testament.